In this video, I'll show you how to change your Minecraft username. This will be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Before we get started, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps and I truly appreciate it. Alright, let's begin. First, open up the Minecraft launcher on your PC. Once it loads, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. At the top of the Settings menu, you'll see three tabs: General, Account, and About. Go ahead and click on Accounts. Here, you'll see the account that's currently linked to your Minecraft launcher. Depending on when you created your account, it may be a Microsoft account or an older Mojang account. Either way, the process is mostly the same. On the right-hand side of your account section, you'll notice three dots next to your profile. Click on those and then select Manage Minecraft, Java Edition Profile. This will open up the official Minecraft website in your browser. Now, sign in with the same Microsoft or Mojang account that you use for Minecraft. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your profile settings page. Under the Minecraft Java Edition section, you'll see your current profile name along with an option that says Change Profile Name. Click on that, and a box will appear where you can type your new username. Before you change it, keep in mind that you can only update your Minecraft name once every 30 days, so make sure you pick something you're happy with. Go ahead and enter your new name. For example, TechYT, or whatever you'd like your new in-game name to be. After that, click the green Change Profile Name button. You should then see a confirmation message that says your name has been successfully updated. Once that's done, you can close the website and return to the Minecraft launcher. The next time you start the game, your new username will appear in multiplayer lobbies, chat, and your profile. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Minecraft username. Remember, this only affects Minecraft Java Edition. If you play on Bedrock Edition through Windows, Xbox, or mobile, your name is linked to your Microsoft gamertag instead, and you need to change that from your Microsoft account settings. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please take a moment to drop a like below the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful gaming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.